Hello friends, I am from Vadodara, Gujarat. I was approached by 3 direct sellers from 3 different direct selling companies with the same claim that unki respective company is the biggest multi-level marketing company in India. Being a research scholar, मैंने सोचा चलो थोड़े facts ढूंढ लेते हैं to kind of explain these contradictive claims for the benefits of my brothers and sisters of the country. Because multi-level marketing industry can contribute for the betterment of India than any other industry. The Consumer Protection Act 2019 legalized multi-level marketing or MLM in India. The #1 bestseller, Why We Want You to Be Rich, co-authored by current American President Donald Trump, strongly endorses the readers to consider multi-level marketing to become rich. A report published by FICCI, the biggest association of Indian companies, and KPMG, one of the 4 biggest auditing firms in the world, combined predicted that by 2025, multi-level marketing ka turnover will reach 64,500 crores annually. Choosing the right company to associate is paramount to become successful in multi-level marketing. I'm sure हमारे पास काफी tools available है to decide on a good company for us. Hence, that's not my topic here. I'm here to introduce the top 10 multi-level marketing companies in terms of size. Because there are no relevant data available for a common person to check which are the biggest multi-level marketing companies in India. Because none of the companies have published their audited balance sheet in their websites or anywhere accessible for the general public. Although I'm not associated with any multi-level marketing companies, I would like to provide the right information to the general public through the data taken from the website of the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, Government of India, to provide thoda sa or better clarity about the biggest 10 companies in India. Here we go. Number 10. Tupperware India Private Limited. This company was founded in 1948 in Orlando, USA. It started Indian operations in 1996. Tupperware develops, manufactures and internationally distributed its high-quality plastic containers used in households to contain food and keep it airtight. Their uniqueness is that they allow only women to associate with them. Probably Tupperware enjoys the highest brand power among all multi-level marketing companies in India. They are present in more than 100 countries and globally a multi-billion-dollar company. In the financial year 2017-2018, Tupperware did a turnover of 288 crores in India, but the turnover declined to 220 crores in the financial year 2018-2019. Matlab, a decline of 24%. Number 9. Indus Viva Health Sciences Private Limited. Founded in 2014 at Bangalore, Indus Viva manufactures and markets premium health and wellness products, particularly functional health beverages. Their products are developed by Bioactive Japan Corporation, a Tokyo-based nutraceutical company. It gives lots of importance in providing significant training and mentoring to its distributors. They are the first company in India to get the government registration as a multi-level marketing entity under the VAT law. They are the only multi-level marketing company from India जिन्होंने अपनी operations अमेरिका में launch किए थे. In financial year 2017-2018, Indus Viva did a turnover of close to 110 crores, and in financial year 2018-2019, they did a turnover of 272 crores. An astonishing growth rate of 148% is by far the highest in the country. Number 8. Forever Living Products. It's an American multi-level marketing company founded in 1978 in Arizona. Currently, ये multi-billion-dollar company is active in 165 countries all over the world. Its highly successful acquisition of Texas-based company Aloe Vera of America laid the path to the entry of aloe vera-based range of products. ये company manufactures and markets premium aloe vera-based drinks and bee-derived cosmetics, dietary supplements and personal care products. They started their Indian operations in 2000, and in the financial year 2017-2018, they did a turnover of 520 crores, but declined to 506 crores in financial year 2018-2019, a 2.85% decline. Number 7. My Lifestyle Marketing Global Private Limited. Founded as RMP Infotech Private Limited in the year 2001 by larger-than-life Mr. Praveen Chandan. 2013 में ये company got rebranded as My Lifestyle by changing the compensation plan and replacing the current products with a new bunch. It presently markets over 100 daily usable products under 6 categories. This Chennai-based company is blessed with an enormous number of talented distributor leaders along the length and breadth of the nation. Their events are mostly filled with large gatherings everywhere. In financial year 2017-2018, My Lifestyle did a turnover of 432 crores, which turned into 577 crores in financial year 18 to 19. an impressive growth rate of 33.5%. Number 6. Oriflame. Oriflame is the first company to start multi-level marketing business in India. This company was founded in 1967 in Sweden and was listed in the Nasdaq Stockholm Exchange. They manufacture and market high-quality skincare cosmetics, perfumes, personal and healthcare products. Across the globe, 30 lakhs distributors के साथ ये company is currently present in over 60 countries. Oriflame enjoys a very high brand reputation in India. Most of the distributors are women. Oriflame India में शुरू हुआ था 1994 में and did a turnover of 621 crores in the financial year 2017-2018 and 644 crores in financial year 2018 to 2019, a marginal 3.71% growth rate. Number 5. Vestige. Vestige is founded by the star of Indian multi-level marketing industry, Mr. Gautam Bali, in 2004 in New Delhi. Vestige got a very impressive success story in India, now expanding to other countries primarily in Asian region. Vestige was largely unaffected in the 2011-2012 crisis of the Indian multi-level marketing industry. Indian households में essentially होने वाले around 250 daily use products को Vestige market करता है at a totally affordable price. Vestige is very aggressive, hence many distributor leaders are attracted towards that. Vestige is in the experiment of finding a synergy between multi-level marketing and retail models. In financial year 2017 to 2018, Vestige did a turnover of 746 crores and जो बढ़कर बन जाता है 800 crores in the financial year 2018 to 2019, a very slow growth rate of 7.72%. Number 4. Modicare. Modicare is a part of Modi Enterprises, an Indian business conglomerate based in New Delhi. The multi-billion-dollar company, consisting of companies such as Godfrey Phillips India, Indophil Industries Limited, etc., has a diversified business portfolio. Ye company was founded in 1933 by Padma Bhushan Gujarmal Modi and currently headed by Lalit Modi, former CEO of Indian Premier League, and his brother Sameer Modi. Recently, Modi Group came in the headlines by the tweet of Lalit Modi stating all assets of the Modi Group are up for sale. In the early years of Modicare, it was the poster boy of the Indian multi-level marketing industry, but later got paralyzed due to inconsistency in policy affairs. In the recent past, it started aggressively moving to recover its lost glory. Ye company markets over 500 daily usable products. Financial year 2017 to 2018 में ये कंपनी ने किया 450 crores का turnover and did a quantum jump to 844 crores in financial year 2018 to 2019. काफी extraordinary growth rate of 87.13%. Number 3. RCM. A brand owned by Fashion Suitings Private Limited, which belongs to the Chabra Group, engaged in textile business since 1977. The group has an annual production capacity of 3 crore meter, thus standing among the top 5 suit manufacturers of India. It is headquartered in a small town in Bhilwara in Rajasthan. 1986 में established हुआ RCM business eventually became a multi-level marketing business. RCM has the living legend Amitabh Bachchan and the tennis star Sania Mirza on its side as the brand ambassador of one of their products. RCM also sells most of the products of daily needs, close to 750 in numbers, at an affordable price. Separate turnover of RCM is not available because it's not a separate company, just a division of parent Fashion Suiting. Fashion Suitings Private Limited ने किया एक turnover close to 680 crores in financial year 2017 to 2018, जो बढ़ गया 883 crores in financial year 2018 to 2019, which is an impressive growth rate of 29.98%. Number 2. Amway India Enterprises. Amway is an American company founded in the year 1959 at Michigan. Amway is probably the biggest multi-level marketing company in the whole world. It operates in over 100 countries and clocks a global turnover of around 10 billion American dollars. It commenced its operation in India in 1998. It has more than 1,000 patents applied in its credit and manufactures over 500 products. It has a 600 crore manufacturing facility in India at Madurai, Tamil Nadu. Amway led the lobbying for the Direct Selling Guidelines 2016 in India, which is the multi-level marketing canon of the land. Amway is the poster boy of multi-level marketing in the world, and Nutrilite is their largest selling brand. Amway is backed by very large and exclusive training organizations such as Network 21 and Brit Worldwide. At its zenith, Amway did a turnover of 2,350 crores, which got fallen to 1,600 crores in 2017 to 2018 and got slightly improved to 1,655 crores in 2018 to 2019, a mere growth rate of 2.83%. Number 1. Herbalife. Herbalife backed the crown of the biggest multi-level marketing company in India from Amway in the 2018 to 2019 financial year. Founded in the year 1980 in Los Angeles in America, presently it operates in 94 countries and has a global turnover of 5 billion American dollars. Herbalife agreed to fundamentally restructure its business model and pay a $200 million fine as a part of a 2016 settlement with the US Federal Trade Commission following accusation of its being a sophisticated pyramid scheme. As a result of the settlement, company is required to prove that at least 80% of its sales are made to individuals outside of distributor network. Herbalife is globally endorsed by the football legend Cristiano Ronaldo and in India, the cricket legend Virat Kohli. Herbalife is the undisputed leader in weight management products. Its high-quality Formula 1 protein shake, a soy-based replacement shake, is its best-selling product, accounting for nearly 30% of its total sales. Health benefits of its products have met scrutiny from the medical community, consumers, and government agencies. It did a turnover of 1,563 crores in the financial year 2017-2018 and jumped to 2,185 crores in 2018-2019, a very impressive growth rate of 39.82%. When people are in dark, they tend to make exaggerated claims about the size of their company. Doubts clear करके, facts double check करके, removing the darkness will help people in choosing the right companies to associate with. It is always risky to associate with small and less than 5 years old companies in multi-level marketing. आप सबको I strongly recommend to choose any of these 10 companies जो आपके personality को suit करे in order to avoid any surprises and mishappenings in the future. Ponzi schemes and money chain companies are also claiming that they are multi-level marketing companies. But the truth is poles apart. For example, QNet. Don't give weightage to negative public perception about multi-level marketing which will not last for long. There cannot be a better way than multi-level marketing for a common man to develop the necessary skills to become a successful entrepreneur and become wealthy in the due course. Before I finish, the very first comment that arises would be the accountability of the data. Numbers सही नहीं है, proof कहाँ है इस data का, वगैरह वगैरह. I challenge all the skeptics to prove me wrong by uploading the copy of the audited balance sheet of any of these companies in the comment box. I'm damn sure you cannot, because the data is from the government website collected by paying the prescribed fee, जो आप में से कोई भी कर सकता है with the help of a relevant professional. I wish you all a great career in multi-level marketing. Thanks for watching.